Hi, I'm the Garden Girl. Welcome to my show. Today we can look at my potatoes. I love potatoes. I love mashed potatoes. I love baked potatoes. I love French fries. I like tater tots. I want to see my tampons. I want to see my baked potato today. Let's take a look. Look, baked potato. Toodle. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Okay, now point to the potato plant. Say, this is a potato plant.
This is a potato plant.
Point to it.
No, point to the plant.
Oh, what plant?
The big plant right there. Say, these are our potato plant.
These are potato plants.
Point to it, and you gotta be really loud because you can't hear.
These are our potato plants.
Point to it.
This is our potato plants.